Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the control panel housing on this Whirlpool top-load washer, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a putty knife. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the washer away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 rear screws, securing the control panel assembly. Next, insert a putty knife under the front corners of the control panel housing to release the clips securing the housing. Disconnect the user interface control wire connector so you can set the control panel assembly aside. Next, unthread the 8 screws securing the user interface panel to the housing using the 1/4-inch nut driver. With the screws unthreaded, release the wires from the retainer, then depress the retaining tabs to fully release the user interface panel from the housing. To prepare the new control panel housing for installation, secure the front and rear retaining clips, if necessary. Insert the wire connector through the hole in the new housing as you position the user interface panel, then snap the panel into place. Thread the 8 screws to secure. Secure the wires in the retainer. Connect the user interface control wire connector to the main control board. Insert the rear control panel housing clips in the rear slots in the main top first, then snap the front clips into place. Rethread the 2 rear screws to fully secure. Move the washer back against the wall. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the washer should be ready for use.